Hi writers, you are nearly done with all of your writing units for kindergarten. It's time to celebrate. But before we do, we're going to edit our writing to make sure it's the best it can be. When you edit, you try to correct or do little things to improve your writing. And one way that all informational writers edit their writing is by using punctuation marks. They put periods at the end of their sentences. It's like a little stop sign to let your readers know when you finished a thought and you're going to start a new complete thought. Now we already know that sentences begin with a fancy capital letter. Now it's a good time to make sure that you finish your complete thought with a period. Today, touch and read the book that you're going to publish. To edit, and make sure that you put a period at the end of your sentences. I'm going to try to do that with my book today.